Hi, welcome to my first class and first video of the Java. I just explain everything detail about Java. If you are a beginner, no knowledge about Java and any programming language, so I elaborate everything detailed in this video and in this video also next part of this video it is fully completely beginner level Java course. I designed for that purpose. Those who are learning fast language as Java, yeah, switched from another language to Java. That's purpose I just designed this course because Java is the beautiful language. You, if you learn Java, you easily switch to another language. So you just learn these things. After that, you can change your mind, you can change your profession, you can go everywhere. And Java have a beautiful features like object oriented feature and startingly you if you learn another programming language like C++, in that programming language no classes starting time, no classes are created. L- then in Java, in you if you learn startingly there is classes, how classes works, you learn. And there is concurrent method that the Java is how much efficient to their programming and how it is work, how it is secured in real life. That much things is content Java. And this is also general purpose language because general purpose computer programming language because Java is platform independent, so you can use every OS system. That platform means this is your operating system, so you use Java as all the operating system. So if you learn Java, this is you have potential to learn every language. So first of thing, Java is a high level language. So you think highly how to convert high level language into machine level language and how hardware is read the program. That thing is I explain in a future video. I will detailed cover this topic because if you are strong in fundamental, you learn how to code, execute how to code works. That's purpose I make this video. If you learn this thing then you connect with me. Just another thing is who developed by Java is developed by Sun Microsystem because uh, uh, that now is the Oracle subsidiary company, Sun Microsystem. At that time 1995, this is Java is founding, and James Gosling is father of Java. You just basic know in this Java concept, so you will just learn these nodes. You know the how Java is created. I don't waste much of time in this topic now. You also self learn and also you can uh, know these things. You self learn and take this knowledge. So let's go with next thing, that is our fast program. Every person is excited to write their first program in their life. So I designed this thing in my past video. I will give you knowledge about fast code uh, that is important. So you have a uh, mm, Eclipse editor, any Java, another editor, VS Code. You just copy this code, sample class simple. This is important when you. I just tell you. in Java, first you declare a class. That's why we take a class like class simple. That's why we contain main method, public static void main, strings it contains, and strings and arguments. That's why it is writing string and args. I will explain you most detailed in all about this thing, why public static void main this works. So I just tell you that thing in future video, so connect with me. And the system that out dot println is the uh, output method of what you will be show in this Java. That's why we'll just write this thing. So the system that out that println is the output function of Java, and this curly braces is important in Java or outputs, like input that have system that in this thing are included in Java. So you can learn with me, and you can continue with me. I will teach you next part in next video. So continue to watching, and if you requirement to learn best thing, I will launch in future and advanced Java this thing in my video. So carry on. Follow my next video for more about Java.